Okay, now we're going to take a look at a little product comparison. And give me a second here. I'll just push the magic button. And let's compare some of the systems that you may already be familiar with. So over here, what I have is the Trac12. And you can see it's a warmer color. That's our Trac12 Xenon. It's a warmer color. And it doesn't quite have the intensity of a halogen. If you look over here by the sink, you can see I'm getting all of that sparkle on the white porcelain and the chrome faucets with 10-watt halogens. Okay, so I've got 11 10-watt halogens here, again creating the same effect on my backsplash with the little stripes. And that whiter halogen, of course, the whiteness and the intensity gives you a little bit more sparkle on that, and people love to see that on their granite. Over here, then, is also a Dana Light product using the T2 fluorescent. So what we've done here is we've actually used 2 of these T2 lamps, and you can kind of see the big bold stripe that those make on our backsplash area. And you may also see a little bit of color difference there from one lamp to the next. And what actually is doing that is one lamp is newer, this one, you can see it actually matches the halogen a little bit better, and then this one is much older. The point being, if you're going to replace multiple lamps in a lamp in a fluorescent multiple system, you really should replace all the lamps so that way you get matching color. Okay, so also of note is the fact that with these 2 11-watt fluorescent lamps, if I place a meter equidistant here and compare that to the halogen here, the halogen, of course, gives the sensation or the appearance that it's actually brighter or produces more light. But the fact is, they both produce the same amount of light. So 11 10-watt halogens can be replaced by 2 11-watt fluorescent. But you can see the look of the fluorescent is much flatter. One of the things that you notice there with the fluorescent, and I don't know if our camera will do this justice, but you don't get a lot of shiny image on the pages with the fluorescent like you might with the halogen being a point source. You know, on the other hand, that's what gives you the sparkle and really brings up the beautiful detail in a granite countertop.